guys, it's Sunday, fun day, but it's in the evening, so we're going to do something totally different. No resin at all tonight. We're going to do a Dutch pour on a crepe board, and we are going to add, so it's going to be an acrylic, and we're going to add Chroma Chaos to the color. Okay, so I hope you guys all had a wonderful weekend and you're winding down and getting ready for your back to work week, or for those who are just starting your summer holidays, enjoy. Please do. I hope you have a wonderful week with the weather and whatever you're doing. Try to get in some art. Okay, guys. You ready for this? Let's get going. We are going to use all decoart colors. This is just the decoart plain white, but I am using all the decoart metallics. So we're using purple pearl. We're going to use the teal. We're going to use ice blue and crystal green, and topping it off with copper. And I'm just adding water to the color because we're not using a lot, and a bit of Chroma Chaos. There's no Chroma Chaos in the white. There is a bit of Floetrol in my white. So I'm going to put this on and spread it around with my hand because it is going to go through the slats. I taped the back. This board has already been bleached white. I didn't do that. I bought it this way. So I'm not overly worried about the sides, but because it's a different white, I do want to try to cover them the best I can. The sides look good. The top is covered, kind of messily. Let's see if I can pop up these bubbles, because this is acrylic, so there is bubbles in the acrylic. Spread this around a little bit. This is going to be noisy. I'm really sorry about that. I'll try to do it as quickly as I can in between. Okay, guys? Obviously need more white. And please remember, I'm not good at acrylic pours. I'm a resin artist, so bear with me. The only way to learn is to try, right? Here we go again, noise factor. Oh, wow, good catch. I almost lost you into my paint. That would have been awful. I'm sure it would have been kind of funny, but for my phone, it would have been awful. I almost lost you guys. I'm sorry. You almost fell in the deep white sea. Okay. Some of this I'll have to touch up, I'm sure, after I pour. So, okay, so let's add a bit of water to each color and see. Actually, that's way too much water. So, well, now we know. The good thing about acrylic is I can just cover these with plastic and they'll stay good for quite a while. Okay, so not so much water. There we go. These colors are so pretty. I have a factory line of some of my resin art on the floor in the family room out there with that I just poured a clear coat on top of because I was requested to have a showing in an Uxbridge gallery. So I am putting in my artwork this time. Not just my boards and my sets. I'm doing my artwork. So fingers crossed everything goes well, but that's not until October. But I want to get things ready because my Christmas rush is coming up. So, okay guys. Chroma Chaos, not resiblast, Chroma Chaos, 1 drop in each color. Give it a little bit of a stir. That purple is still pretty thin. So I think I might add a little bit, sorry guys, a little bit more to the purple and to the crystal green. These little bottles don't go very far when you do pours, when you do acrylic pours. The little bottles don't last you very long, unless of course you do mix in with your Floetrol. Okay, so let's get this ball started. And I think what I would like to do is start in the center and blow it out. And I think I want to start with the green, and I'm going to use it all. And then the darker blue. Then a bit of the copper, not a lot. Then the purple, but it's so liquidy I'm not going to use it all. And then this beautiful blue. Now a bit more of the copper. Now let's ring this with white. Yeah, I probably used way too much white, but it'll get blown around. So let's try this, okay? I'm going to blow the white over it and then the color out of it, okay? Noise factor. Okay, guys. I really like these Dutch pours. They're beautiful results. They're fairly easy to do. And I love the colors I used this time. So let's add a bit of torch heat to pop these cells. And remember, this is Chroma Chaos mixed in with the color. And only Floetrol in the white. It's just water, color, Chroma Chaos causing these. Look at this happening here. Fill in some dented areas. Wow. Blow out the bubbles. Wow, wow, wow. Don't get me wrong, guys. I love resin. Resin is my #1. But Dutch pours are so pretty if you've got gorgeous colors to work with. And I've had these metallics, acrylics, for a while now, so I thought, why not? Right? Okay, I'm going to bring you down because I think I'm going to leave it right here now. We're going to leave it alone. I may touch up a little bit of the white, pour a little puddle here and touch it up with a stick. But I really think this is pretty awesome just the way it is. So, let's bring you down and show you this. This is Chroma Chaos in acrylic. The colors are DecoArt Metallics, acrylic, DecoArt White, oh no, sorry, Loft, White. What is that called? I'll put it in the description, what I used. Look at the side. Look at those cells from the Chroma Chaos. That is so cool. So cool. And it's happening here. And remember, Chroma Chaos keeps working until, well, at least it does in the resin, until it's cured. Let's see if it keeps working in acrylic. We've got some little baby cells and lots of beautiful little lacing We've got little cells everywhere, and then over here we've got these big cells that really reacted with that metallic blue. Very good. Very good. Okay. So there you go, guys. Something different tonight. Nothing to do with resin. Everything to do with Chroma Chaos. And it was fun. It was a lot of fun. And I can't wait for this to dry so that I can resin it and really make the colors pop. It's what I love about resin. It makes the colors pop. If you use real tints and real metallics and pigments, you're going to get real vibrant colors. If you use the makeup grade of powders or whatever, it's not going to be as vibrant, but you're still going to get nice pieces, you know. Acrylic, you use acrylic and then resin on top of that. Wow. Seriously, resin does amazing things to your art. It really does. So enjoy, guys. Have a wonderful week. I hope it's not that bad. And for those on vacation, enjoy. Enjoy. Get rest. And then get back home and start arting. Okay, guys. Thanks for being here. Bye.